What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AST, also known as Airswap, which has pumped up over 45% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 15 cents. It did pump up a little bit higher earlier on today, up to about 17 cents, but has taken a little bit of a step back. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Is it going to keep dropping? Is it going to pump back up, potentially hitting 20 cents? So we're going to cover both short-term and long-term investors, so over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, what can we expect from Airswap? How high is it likely to go? Can it hit 20, 30, 40 cents and so on? And looking at, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or should you wait until it pumps up even higher? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Airswap, which is here in purple at just about 10 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here at just below 15 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are looking a little bit skeptical here. The orange line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So essentially, according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours, so in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. However, I am expecting Airswap to have taken a little bit of a step back, dropping down in value down to around 12 to 13 cents. In between that price range is where I'm expecting Airswap to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. So do expect green candles in between, but the red candles are likely to overtake the green candles, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected. But because I'm saying drop, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major crash or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal drop in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a positive direction. However, it is looking way too steep, guys, meaning this is not realistic, as it's only basing it off the last couple of hours here, and I'm not expecting it to carry on in that direction and at that pace over the next week or so. So yes, this is not realistic, meaning an overall drop in value is once again what I'm expecting from Airswap over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, I'm expecting it to have dropped back down to around 10 to 11 cents. In between that price range is where I'm expecting Airswap to be trading at towards the end of next week and the week after that as well, the early week after that as well. But yeah, that doesn't mean it's going to be constantly hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Do expect the odd green day in between, but yeah, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line once again are still looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction. So yes, guys, this is not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late January 2024, I'm expecting Airswap to have once again dropped down in value, but in that around January time, it should be trading around 13 cents is what I'm expecting. So after it takes quite of a drop over the coming week or two down to about 10 to 11 cents, it should go for a slow and steady increase in value up to about 13 cents early next year, January, February time. 13 to 14 cents is what I'm expecting. So again, It's not going to be a major pump or a major crash or anything like that. What we essentially want is the crypto to drop down in value and go up in value at a slow and steady pace, just like what's been happening here since about October. As you guys can see, it's been increasing in value at a slow and steady pace with red candles in between as well, which is much more sustainable than a random pump out of nowhere going up 45%. Because what's most likely to happen is for it to drop back down in value, and that's not essentially what we want. We want it to go up in value and stay there and go even higher than that. That makes it more sustainable. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. But before I do that, just a little announcement, guys. My Telegram chat is now live. If you guys want to join, the link is in the description box down below. Yes, it is currently on offer, usually $29.99 a month. However, with discount code DEC10 you get 50% off to make it $14.99 a month. However, this is for a limited time only, so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. Just to give you guys a brief explanation on what this chat is all about, you get put into two group chats once you sign up. The first one is me showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. But do bear in mind, I'm not a short-term trader, I am a long-term investor, meaning I don't buy and sell on a regular basis. But when I do, it is a very good entry and exit point. And the second chat is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, and so on. And also you guys can ask me questions about predictions, analysis on other cryptos, which I will also provide in that chat. But yeah, the link is in the description box down below if you guys are interested. And now back to Airswap. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the green zone, and we've literally broken out from the red zone without any resistance. We literally just broke through straight at it and went into the green zone, and that is one of the main reasons why I'm expecting the crypto to drop back down into the red zone over the coming days, and potentially I'll go up in value at a slow and steady pace. And once it hits this resistance target of 13 cents, it should resist, stop it from breaking it, and then potentially break out from there heading into the green zone early next year. As you guys can see, even previously we can see sometimes it did hit the resistance target and has resisted back and dropped back down into the red zone. But yeah, this is my take on Airswap. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 3,700%, making it $38 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading volume. We're seeing a lot more buyers and sellers looking into the crypto, as it is one of the top crypto gaining cryptos. As you guys can see, it is the top gainer according to Binance in the last 24 hours. So of course it is going to get a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, how high is Airswap likely to go in 2024? I've seen a lot of comments saying it's going to hit the dollar mark. Yes, it is possible, but potentially in the second half of 2024, depending on how the crypto market performs, it can hit the dollar mark. But if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.